Activities on Tuesday: writing, reading, speaking, and the interactive book, Unit 1. Let's start with writing. Reading. Number 1 and number 2. Remember the interactive book, Unit 1, as well as these activities, and speaking. In this speaking section, you will have an assignment in a module called Speaking Revision 1 for Unit 1, Speaking Revision 2 for Unit 2, etc. In this case, you have to speak a paragraph about these topics. Please don't answer the questions. Speak about this topic. And this is the activity. These are the activities for Tuesday.